Hello guys, and welcome to another video back in I Am Cat. Today we are doing part 2 of I Am Cat. Also, we would be on part 3, but yesterday I was unfortunately sick, so I wasn't able to do it. But yeah, that's basically just what we're doing today. Let me get up here because I want to show you guys something, if you guys didn't know. You can push this brick in. And I didn't punch my TV. What are you talking about? Yeah. Me. Okay, that's good. Yeah, guys, I just like punched my TV. It ain't broken, but okay. But yeah, guys, we're in the garage map today. Tomorrow is my favorite map, which is street. And let's go. Oh yeah. If you guys hear me talking to somebody, I am on call with Phoenix, just like last time. Scratchy Callista. Let's see. Come on. Get to it. Find the gym. Light up the boxing ring, and I can go ahead and do the rules. How did I go? Find the gym. The gym's up there. Oh, I hate that quest. In the garage.
Look.
Oh, did you just throw a wrench at me? Oh, that's dynamite. No, I threw dynamite at myself. Lie down. Sir, I didn't do it. He missed. Find the gym. Gym's up there. I found it. Now get rid of the because I can't go up to it. Want some cat food? Is this not? Oh, this is the gym. Is this a nail gun? Sir. I headshot him. Also, one of the funnest. But yeah, guys, this is one of the shortest maps, and in my opinion, one of the funnest. Anyways, now we need to light up the boxing ring, so I have to go back up here.
Yeah.
That's a fan. Turn it off. How do I turn on the light in the boxing room? The button when you first reach the gym. So that's box training. Yo, we're gonna lift some weight today. Let's see, guys. How heavy is this? Not heavy at all. I can lift more than him. Let me fix this for you guys. Whoops. It fell. This isn't even that heavy. It can stay down there. Oh, a drink. Oh, I feel the random urge to run. Yeah, he tried to throw a wrench at me and ended up hitting the windshield of his car. Whew. I still found the button. I've been just playing. I put on hat. You put on hat. Don't look at me like that. All I did was put a nail in your face. I sniped him like I snipe people with the hunting rifle. What's in the hole? Oh, yeah, it's a vent. Oh, a vent. Also, guys, to get to the next map, you have to put the key card right here. And you can go down there to get to the street. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and skip this quest for now because I cannot figure out where it is. I only get to figure out that. Sir, are you okay? You have nails all over you. Okay. Your screen's black. It might be because you're recording. Oh. Okay. This is how you do it if you guys are wondering. I was doing some insane parkour moves. Oh. Okay, also, I need to clean out this car. That is disgusting. You know what? Actually, he can do that. I don't want it. Switching. Yeah. It's just on the garage floor. It's just laying there. Here you go, sir. Oh yeah, guys. Phoenix has to restart his game because something's happening. That's what you just said. Oh, he just had to restart the map. Okay. I don't even care if I messed up. I'm not restarting it. Yay, I turned on the light. Next is reach the garage attic. Is this that? No, I need the garage. I'm gonna clap my wings. Also, guys, the reason I'm not going fast as I usually do, it's because I somehow hurt my shoulders. They're like insanely sore, so I'm in the attic now. Have a rim. Whoops, I accidentally hit the windshield. Anyway, this garage is a mess. I don't want to get it ready. Hammer, screwdriver, saw. I see the hammer and saw. What? I don't know if they have that anymore. So, I played this the first day it came out. Okay, now we need the hammer. Ooh, gas. can't open it. Well, guys, because I might get demonetized by YouTube, I have to say, I would not recommend actually drinking gasoline. You know what, sir? Whoops. Sir, I'm sorry. Sir, I'm sorry. How did he miss? Oh, yo, this is where his adventures landed. Oh my. Also, guys, you can put this in here and you can turn it on and you can just like cut it and then take a bite out of it. Why are you mad at me? Why are you mad at me? I didn't even do anything. You know what? This airplane looks cool. Let me use it. Yeah. Sir? Missed me. Oh yeah, I need the hammer. I remember. Hammer. Where's the hammer? This is some nice dynamite. You know what? I might damage this car just because of that. Screw gun. Screw gun's all the way upstairs. Oh wait, no, nail gun's over here. Cause I threw it. You know what? I'm gonna shoot him just for fun. Yeah, guys, he's just sleeping. Yeah, all I did was hit him with a nail. Whoops. Okay, I'm just gonna say. Where's there? Wait. Oh, this is the nail gun. Whoops. Should be fixed as soon as possible. I'm gonna fix the car. Pump up the tire. Right. I'm trying to figure out how to air up a tire, because I don't know. Grow. That doesn't do anything. I'm trying to figure out how to air up the tire. Well, yeah, I found that, but how do I have... I'm just gonna pop it. Yeah, I already did it now. Put it on. I said put it on. Okay. Now I need, I must go in the wheel bolts before I find the thing. Ooh, glue gun. Yeah, he's laughing. Okay, we're gonna do the lever first. I have to find for you. Yeah, because we're in Grandma's garage. I'm trying to find the level. Yeah. How do you... I have a box. Darn. How does he keep missing? So I have to look at Phoenix's screen a lot, guys. I don't remember what anything is. It's been like a year since I played this map. Okay, so it's a hold on, wait a minute. Oh, I know where you put it. Yeah. No. The license plate is up here. I've already found that. Just grab that and throw it on. Next, find or put the engine back into the car. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's just kind of hard to crank. Sort of slowly but surely. Oh, I just dropped it in. Take the trash out of the car, gladly. Oh, I know where it is. It's in the glove box of the car. Be it. Yeah. Can't pop it. No idea. Next. Clean the car's interior. Sponge, I think I threw out. No. I don't know where I put the sponge. I dropped it in it. Oh. Well, yeah, I know that, but I threw it. I found it, though. I found it, though. Look how dirty. I got a Manhattan. Baby, go, what's happening? Is it you? Is it you? Is it me? Is it me? Say it's us, and I'll agree. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's stand up here. I don't need this anymore, I don't think. Saw off the spoiler. Someone doesn't want a nice spoiler? You ram it into the garage. Again? Fix the dashboard. Screwdriver.
Huh?
Take a photo of the car.
Hey!
Okay, no good. I took a picture. Hey, what if I take a picture of myself? Nothing. You become invisible. What if I take a picture of a picture? And then a picture of a picture of a picture. And then the picture of a picture of a picture. And then the picture of a picture of a picture of a picture. And then a picture of 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 a picture. And then a picture of a picture. Here is the picture of 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 the picture, guys. Okay, what else did I do? Touch up the paint. I already did that mostly, but...
Huh? Huh?
Oh, no.
Huh?
The spray paint's under the car.
Yeah.
The spray paint I need is under the car. Fall asleep. We're going to bed, guys. Me neither. I haven't got hit by a wrench yet. I got a combo in my hat. Is it you? Gotta shake it. Now the worst part, finding the side mirrors. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the key on the seat, so I know where that is at least. I just tackled him. Oh, did he throw his wrench into the car through the windshield? I think he broke his own car, or grandma's own car. He's gonna get fired. Oh, I already found it. Easy. Start the car, we're leaving soon. Can I open the garage first so I don't ram into it? Casually rams into the garage. Okay, we got the key. See, guys, he did throw the wrench in. Sir, I didn't do it. I promise. That was easy. Yo, put poop in the boxing gloves? That's evil. I know where the litter box is. I don't know where the boxing gloves are. You know what? This guy, he made me mad, so I'm gonna make him mad. I didn't do it, sir. Sir, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. My internet. Pravushki. Und jak sznuje mara baragiando yarba. Dum dum da 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 da. Ba ba da da da. I got a dumbbell. Yeah. Where are the boxing gloves? Oh, that makes sense. Oh, I already see him. So, have a new beanie. Flat. Gonna go out. Wait. Oh, do I just have to grab the poop and hope I make it? Oh, that's healthy. chase away the pigeons. Bet. Yep. Yeah, it is. The what? Traffic cones? They're under the desk, right where the thing is to go back to Grandma's house. Oh, why is that wolf staring at me? See you guys. So I'm doing your job. Why are you getting mad? Hit me! He hit me. He hit me with a vent. To the face. That hurt. I need to go chase away some pigeons. I don't like these bugs. They're annoying. Oh, this hurts my shoulder so bad. Get away! Get away! You too! Whoops! I just killed a pigeon. Drop trophies on the floor. Trophies are in the gym. You know, even if it says I'm done, I'm dropping them all. How does he even get up here? The mechanic. How does he even get up to the gym? Does he have to parkour? What, do you care? I don't care. Fix the crane. What crane? Oh, that. Get on my way, pigeon. Blue goes to red. Red goes to blue. Place the pictures in the scene. The fox goes in the cat goes in the fox, and the dog is just the dog. So first off, fox bag. Now I need the dog. The dog. This hurts my shoulder. Drop traffic cones. Drop traffic. He just hit his hand for about the 100th time with a hammer. Also, guys, if you look out there, that is part of the new map. That's all you can see right now, though. Also, guys, when we get out there, we get to meet. When we get out there, we get to meet 2 new characters, or 3 new characters. We get to meet the dog, the one girl that is apparently Grandpa's daughter, and Grandpa. Yeah. Whoop. 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 Break bottles. There's 4. 3 up here. Pretty sure there's a few up here. You want to break your own vase, eh? You okay, sir? You okay? Bro got aimbot. Also, guys, I will tag once again because I'm technically playing with him. I am gonna be tagging his account. But yeah, guys, he did change his name. It is now Vader VR. Oh yeah, I don't know _Vader. Whoops. I accidentally flipped it.
What?
Now when you do dangerous stuff. No. Whoops, I actually knocked it off. Meow. I'm just a cat. I'm just a cat who somehow ended up in the garage ruining everything. I mean, let's see. We crashed his car. We broke tons of stuff. We destroyed his stuff. We put... Oh, yay! I'm not sorry, sir. Return the fire extinguisher. Oh, I have a fire extinguisher shoved halfway down my throat. If you put the fire extinguisher in your mouth, it looks like it gets shoved halfway down your throat. I need the nail gun. The nail gun, I think, the nail gun's up here. I know that for a fact. Because he did. Oh, I didn't pull that thing down. I on my hand. No, I think he's dead. Oh, I see the nail gun. I have to do a little bit more parkour with my hurt shoulder. Because he hates you that much. I need to get a bullseye. Done. Turn on the fan. Yeah, because all you have to do is... Let go of me, metal pole! The metal pole won't let go of me. And then it just dropped me. Okay. Let's see. What do we have to... Drop it to the floor. By the box.
Yeah.
Drop beer cans on the floor. I don't know if I can say that, but I said it anyway. I have that one right now. He's chasing me with a wrench. He started chasing me with it. Did you guys see that? Like everyone on YouTube, did you just see him start chasing me with that? That was the scariest moment of my life. It's like... now, at least. Probably gonna change it before long. Bop. How many more do you need? Cause I can't even find one. Yeah. Unless, hold on. The what? Ouch. It stole my hand. It stole my other hand. Oh, I got it back. I got it back without pressing the button. I wonder. Wait. Oh. That makes sense. It's the ones in the gym. Yeah. Why is he smiling like that? Where are the puke cans? I'm stuck. Oh, I have to go back up there. I missed. Knocked over the other two. Two. Flap my wings. Flap my. You know what? He's gonna get a taste of his own medicine. I'm gonna whack him with a wrench. Ouch.
Huh?
He just tripped over it. Dude, he got mad as soon as I fell asleep. Whoopsies. Whoa, buddy. Bit too close. Climbing, 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 climbing. No, it's not. I did it for 20 seconds without messing up when I first started. Oh, man. I'm just throwing this one off. What do you want, Scratchy Callista? Okay, the gym will help you with this. Okay. Hit the punching bag. This punching bag or the actual punching bag? The actual punching bag. I need to hit the punching bag 20 times? Dude, I have hurt. Both my shoulders hurt. What do you mean? Ow. Oh, this hurts. Ow, this actually hurts really bad. Oh, finally. Oh, that hurt. Box training. Okay, that's all I have to do, right? Yeah. Work out on the treadmill. Oh yeah, it used to be way harder. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, he does that. Lift the kettlebell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lift the dumbbells. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chop the log and drink the protein shake. Choke, choke. I just drank it all. Whew! I have energy now. Whee! It's flying. Okay, I gotta grab the axe. Chop, chop, and chop. Really? Yeah, he came behind me and whacked me. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, I just hit him in the ankles with a... Miss me! I'm almost done. Miss me, can't get me now. Let's get out of here. Power check, dummy, open door. And then I know the key code is inside of the dummy. Well, yeah, pretty much key code. Whoops. Dude, punching this dummy is not easy. Technically day 3, but day 2. I really don't care. Okay, guys, we are going, and I will give you a little hint, sneak peek. I will give you a tiny sneak peek. You don't get to see anything else except for a couple things. None of the new characters. So we're gonna cover our eyes. And here we are. This is all you're gonna see for now. I will kind of show you the backyard. You go through over there if you can't tell. Here's the greenhouse, all that. But anyways, guys, that'll be all for today's video. I will continue playing tomorrow. Also, I share all my videos. Yay. Also, guys, I just want to say thank you for my Walter Wizards video. 848 views. Then my other one has 540. I just want to say thank you guys so much. Well, anyways, that'll be all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and goodbye.